All right, welcome back to my basic math class. Right on the board, we have a question, a math problem. Let's see how we can solve it. We have 2 raised to the power k plus 2 raised to the power k plus 2 raised to the power k equal to 192. The question says we should find k. So we are looking for what? The variable k or the subject k. So let's look at solution. So we have our solution drop like this: 2 raised to the power k plus 2 raised to the power k plus 2 raised to the power k equal to 192. Now, when you have it like this, the only thing is that you collect like terms. Now, luckily, these are all like terms. So how many are they? 1, 2, 3. So that is how we collect like terms. So it's 3. We have 3 of the 2 raised to the power k adding together. Adding, we see an addition operator in between them. So 2 raised to the power k plus 2 raised to the power k plus 2 raised to the power k equal to 192. So if we count them 1, 2, 3, we have 3 times. So meaning that this 2 raised to the power k appears how many times? 3 times. So 2 raised to the power k. That is what it means. So that it can help us to do our cancellation so that we can be able to set our base as the answer. So equal to 192. Let me come in again. When an exponent is given to you or a number with a power, you have to be changing the numbers which are the bases, so that at the end the basis, you have to change the basis so that at the end you are going to set the exponent as the answer. So you understand when we get the answer. So when you get here, we are having 3 times 2 raised to the power k equal to 192. Now we have to get rid of this coefficient 3. So what we do is that we divide this side and this side with 3. So we divide this side 3, here 3. So this cancel this. So now these 3 also cancel 192. It go inside 64 times. So you see that finally we have 2 raised to the power k equal to 64. 64. So let's rewrite it here. So finally you see 2 raised to the power k equal to 64. Now we brought it here. So since we have it like this, what do? We need to do such a way that we set this here and here. We set so that we can have a base 2. We can be able to write the number with an exponent form of what? Base 2. So here we have 2 raised to the power k equal to 64. So what do we do here? We have already base 2 here. 2 raised to the power k equal to. So this 64, we find 2, we multiply 2 by the same 2 up to what? The number that we are going to get 64. So let's start. 2 times 2 will give us what? 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 8 times 2 will give us 16. 16 times 2 will give us 32. 32 times 2 will give us 64. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at the end, it's going to be like this: 2 raised to the power 6. This is what it means. So we are bringing that 2 raised to the power 6 here. So you see that now the bases are the same. So since the bases are the same, then our final answer, we are going to set this what? Exponent. This is what it means. You say, I said it in the first place. So you set this exponent as the answer. So we are going to have k equal to 6. So this is our final answer. When you bring this 6 that we have here, or as the answer, when you bring 6 at where this k is, you bring 6 at where this k is, you bring 6 at where this k is. It is so simple. 2 raised to the power 6, as we have here, 2 raised to the power 6 is 64. So when you bring 64 here, 64 here, 64 here, when you add, you are going to get 192 equal to 192. So you can also try with your calculator. You see that you're going to get the same answer. Or just do your own what adding up, and then you see that you get your own answer, right? So at the end of it all, with this expression, 2 raised to the power k plus 2 raised to the power k plus 2 raised to the power k equal to 182. Our final answer is k equal to 6. If you have any thought about this, you can also drop it in my comments, right? I hope you enjoyed the class. Make sure you pause the video and write it in your notes and keep on studying. Maths is a fun, so keep on studying. Right. I hope you enjoyed the class. Keep on commenting, keep on liking, and keep on following me. Yes, support my video so that I will be energized to be able to what? To continue to teach you on this platform. See you in the next video. Bye for now.